Hey.
I hope the kids will.
You got my stuff?
It's in the car. I told you it's on the backseat.
You're outside.
You want to trade?
Trade.
I got these boxes
Oh, sure.
for that stuff.
Okay.
Alright, deal. What do we got? Ooh, that's just what I needed. All my stuff back. Let's see if I can carry this with one hand. Guys, I'm curious to know who watched my video on this truck when I put the wheels and tires on. I'm curious to know if you watched that. If you did, go ahead and comment in the comments. Just write the word pickle. That's it. Just write the word pickle. I want to see who watched that. That'll be pretty funny to see everyone write pickle. Alright. Like that right there is gonna have to wait because all the batteries are dead on my stuff, and I really need those to do that fence, which is the point of this video. But we're gonna take a little detour and we're gonna go to the park, right? Right, so now that the kids are all taken care of, it's time for me to get to work on this fence. I haven't showed you guys this yet, but this is the fence I'm building right here. Pretty much all it is a bunch of 2x6s that I cut down. Hold on. 2x6s, that's like a 2x12, that big one. And pretty much all I've done is I made these posts at work, and they are, get you better lighting here, just like a 2-inch post. And then I welded this 2x4 flat strap on the back side so the wood has something to attach to. And then on the front side from the street, it looks clean. The front looks a lot better, I think. But yeah, kind of that barnwood style look. But got a bunch. Got to make all these posts plumb now. I've got those to do. So yeah. Okay, so for the most part, I got all the posts plumb. If you look down the row, all the way down, they all line up. So now I need to take these wood that I have, all of this wood, I need to cut it up into 8-foot lengths, and pretty much all that I do is, I didn't really think this through before. If I was to do it again, I would put another strap on this side so that I could just slide the wood in like slats. But what I do is I drill through the metal and then put a deck screw in it, in the wood. And I use deck screws because if you use the zinc coated screws, they just don't last very long in the weather. So you use the deck screws, screw it in. So cut to an awesome time lapse of me working. Also, side note, this woman's out here 8 months pregnant, pulling these weeds in the heat. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm awesome.
You heard it from her. She's awesome. She said it herself. All right, guys, not a lot of progress, but I got one panel. Wanted to show you before it got too dark because the sun has gone down, but I guess the light's still pretty good, so that's nice. Got this panel done. I still have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 more in 3 days, because we have a baby shower here on Saturday, so that's 4 days. I don't know how to do math, but the good news is, in other news, we got some concrete done. This used to be just dirt right here. Used to be dirt, but we got that new concrete right there. We went and got some sand, another pad right there, and the guy should be coming to finish this sometime this week. So this whole entire thing will be concrete, and that'll be super nice. And we'll have our baby shower, and we're gonna set up our pool. Man, this backyard is gonna be the talk of the neighborhood. Those posts have been up for a long time, so it's good to finally see some progress on this fence right here. And if you guys are wondering where all the truck content is, don't worry, it's coming. Just takes time because that stuff is expensive, and I'm balling on a budget. What can I say? Like most of you guys probably don't have a lot of money to spend on your stuff. So I'm just doing what I can when I can. And I just like making videos. So that's where I'm at. Guys, don't leave yet. If you like what you've seen so far, there's some other videos that you need to watch down there. There's a link to some videos down on there also. There's a link to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Support your boy to make some more videos to feed my habits. What? Help me feed my habits of making videos. Thanks guys. Love you. Bye.